Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Lasham daily briefing for Monday, the 12th of May, 2025. Well, what a weekend that was. Some great flying was had by all, I think. Some excellent tasks done. But on to today. This is the synoptic from yesterday at lunchtime. We just ran that through midnight last night and into lunchtime today. And you can see this cold front that's come up from sort of northwestern France across the English Channel and is now into the UK by about lunchtime. That's given us a bit of a sort of thundery downpour every now and again, and which is neat to keep an eye on that. It looks quite flyable at the moment, but I think there might be a little bit of rain on the way in the next few hours. We run that through midnight tonight into lunchtime tomorrow. There is a slight change. The cold front's weakened a bit, but there's still lying around just to the west of us with a trough pretty much in the local area. Into Wednesday, and it all changes. We're back to high pressure weather again on Wednesday, and nice sunny warm days. The SatPic shows this cold front here with some quite large towering cumulus on there, and over the cunims are going to be bringing the thunder and lightning if it gets this way. The rain radar shows that band of rain associated with the high cloud and the SatPic, and if we look at the forecast rain, we can see that around about like maybe 10, 11 o'clock, we might see some rain coming through this area. It might be just to the south of us. We might get away with it, we might not. But it's going to develop into showers in the afternoon, and those showers hopefully are going to stay well to the north of us. The Odium TAF is quite an extensive TAF today. They're forecasting 130 degrees 8 knots, greater than 10k visibility, with few clouds 800 feet, and then temporarily between now and 10 o'clock, scattered at 1,000 feet, with a 40% chance that up until about now, scattered at 400 feet. And then temporarily from about 10 to 12, visibility down to 7 kilometers in showers and rain, scattered clouds 1,800 feet. And then from 12 through till 6 this evening, visibility 7 kilometers in showers and rain, with few QNIMs about 2,400 feet and broken at 3,000 feet. And also a 30% chance that in that same time period, visibility down to 3.5 kilometers in heavy showers and rain, with QNIMs broken at 2,400 feet. Farnborough, not quite so extensive with their TAF, but they're forecasting 1,205 knots cavalcade. The 30% chance that up until about now, the cloud broken about 800 feet, and 30% chance that from about 11 through till 3 o'clock this afternoon, visibility down to 4 kilometers in heavy rain in thunderstorms and small hail or snow pellets. Broken at 2,500 feet with the QNIMs. Spot winds to the north of us, 2,000 feet wind, 120, 10 knots. To the south of us, 2,000 feet winds, 100, 15 knots. Windy, showing a south easterly flow all day, which is going to put us on runway 16. And the local forecast from the Met Office for this area kind of confirms that southeasterly all day, maybe about 6, 7, 8 knots, gusting out to the sort of mid to high teens. GFS suggesting temperatures of about 18 to 20 by lunchtime, with the dew point down at about 12. I don't have a local camera for you this morning, they're offline. This is from down Alton Way, looking back towards Lasham. And you can see we've got a fair bit of cloud cover there, so we're quite low. Locally, temperature-wise, we've got about 14 centigrade with the dew point down about 12, so a very small split there. And SkySight does suggest that cloud base is going to rise gradually throughout the day, up to about 4,000 feet above mean sea level, with sort of 3 to 4 knot thermals in the better part of the day. Top Meteo, again, if we look at their soaring prediction, they've got round about now just a few showers locally, and then convection start to get going. Probably by about 11, 12 o'clock, we should have some reasonable convection, maybe up to about 3,000 feet. But they're also showing those showers in the local area as the day goes through. So not a great soaring day, but there will be an opportunity. And then later in the afternoon, you can see about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, thunderstorms from about the M4 corridor right up to about sort of Liverpool, Manchester area. So no times then, just local ones this morning. 21s, Barton Stacey, live firing. That's the danger height raised to 1600 feet AMSL. 22s, not applicable, that's after 8 o'clock tonight. 25 is Farnham, 26 Ash Ranges, 27 Blackwater, and 28 Camberley. That's all to do with illuminance and flares and such like. And Delta 132 is active today. So moving on then to the local airfield brief, and we shall start with the Odium cross section. You'll see some of those towering cumulus and Q-NIMS. This is where we're going to get our thunderstorms, perhaps if they start around about lunchtime. There is a warning out for thunderstorms, and we just need to keep an eye on it. And if we do get anything close to the airfield, we need to watch out for gust fronts and heavy rain and all that kind of thing, and park the gliders properly. So glider bookings, there's 2 K21s on courses this week and 1 K21 on booked flying. There's a K21 on the casual list. There's a K13 available for trial lessons, and I'm not going to cancel them just yet, but we do need a BI to look after those lessons. If we can have someone by 9:30 to volunteer, that would be great. Single-seater availability is plenty of that. There's 2 people on the casual list, and of course the simulator is available as per usual. I do need 3 volunteers immediately after briefing to go down to engineering and help get the Pawnee fuselage from the tug hanger up to the workshop. 2 XL movements today then. There was supposed to be an A320 going out at 9 o'clock. That's been delayed. I'm waiting on that being confirmed, and there's a Beach 350 going out at 2 o'clock local this afternoon. So the general situation today is low pressure moving over the UK. There's frontal systems bringing unsettled conditions, possible thunderstorms. We're actually on runway 16 today. Ignore this runway 09, but the cables will be on the east side. Please be ready when the cables and the tug arrive, and do not land or taxi on the disused runway shown here in red. So that's your airfield setup today. Launch point vehicle on the hard, winching off the grass, area towing to the west off the grass, and I shall see you in the clubhouse or out on the airfield shortly. Have a good day's flying. Please keep it safe and have lots of fun. Cheers.